Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a Serverstats bot on your Discord server. Let's get started. So here we are in our browser and we are in serverstatsbot.com, and this is where we want to go so that we can add a Serverstats bot into our Discord server. So to do that, we simply need to click here on this button, invite bot, and from here we will be prompted in this page to invite our bot, and we simply need to select our server. In my case, it will be this server right here for this tutorial, and I want to click on continue. And from here we basically just need to leave this out. You don't want to untick any of this, so just go and click on authorize so that now we can proceed in the verification process. You just simply need to tick this, I am a human, and after you have verified yourself, you will be prompted right here. As you can see, it has now been added to your server. So what you're gonna do is go now into your server right here, and as you can see, the Serverstats bot is right here, as you can see also here. So the first thing that you are going to do is make sure that you have the roles enabled for bots. So to do that, we simply need to go here into server settings, and from here you want to go into roles, and from here, as you can see, I don't have any roles, so in this case I will be creating a role. So to create a role, you simply need to go here, click on create role, and since we are creating this role for bots, we're gonna name it bots role, and just like that. And the important thing that we need to enable here is in the permissions, and you want to scroll all the way down and you want to enable administrator permissions or privileges right here. You want to make sure that this is enabled, and after that you can now go and save changes, or you could also go and assign it a color. In my case, I'll just assign it yellow, just like that, and you want to go back, and from here you want to go here into your Serverstats bot, and you want to click on it and make sure that you add a role right here that is the bot's role with a administrator permissions. So now we can proceed, and what we're gonna do is simply go here into the message, and we're gonna type /setup right there, and as you can see, here it is. You want to just press enter, and the voice channel right here, we're gonna go into the text channel, and from here we want to go into default counters, and just like that. Or if you want, then you could just go for other counters right here, channels and roles, emergency stickers, anything that you need. So in my case, I'll just use default counters right here. So I want to press enter, and from here, as you can see, the setup has started and will take a couple of seconds to finish. And as you can see right here in the server stats, these are the counters that we were choosing earlier. So based on the counter that you chose earlier, these would be modified accordingly. So in the counter that I chose, this is what I got. So I can see all the members right here, the bots also right here. So you can also do, what you can also do is simply go here into edit channel, and you can change the name right here. So what you want to edit here is you want to leave this dash and this number behind. So we're just gonna edit the rest of the text. So let's say we want to edit let's go for peasants right there, and you want to go do that right there and save changes. And now, as you can see, the name has been changed, and you don't have to worry if it would malfunction, because as you can see here, that counters automatically update within 10-minute delay, and that would automatically be updated right here. So as you can see right here, it says that do counter list. So let's do that. So /counter list right here, so you can see all the counter available. So here we are, and with the star emojis, as you can notice right here, that those are for premium counters. So you would need to buy the premium subscription for you to access this. But without the star icon right there, then you can just access it freely. Another thing that you can do is you can go back here to the website, and you want to go here into commands, and from here you will see all the commands right here, and you would see a description so that you would know what that command does, and you have a lot. So you can just go here and go through all the page, and you can also search a command right here. So let's say you want to add a counter, then you can go search add or maybe create right here. So from here, you can create a counter right here, or you can manage whatever you want. So that's
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.